Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, in the adjoining figure, river PQ is just perpendicular to the national highway AB. At a point B, highway just turns at right angle and reaches to C. PA is equal to 500 meters and BQ is equal to 700 meters. So PA is 500 meters and BQ is 700 meters. And width of the uniformly wide river, that is PQ, is 300 meters. So this is 300 meters. Also, BC is equal to 3600 meters. A bridge has to be constructed across the river perpendicular to its stream in such a way that a person can reach from A to C via bridge covering least possible distance. PQ is the width of the river. Then what is the minimum possible required distance from A to C, including the length of the bridge? So let Mn be the bridge. And we join C and N in this way and A and M in this way. Then triangle APM is similar to triangle ABC. And let us also join these lines. Now, using this similarity, we get AP by PM is equal to AB by BC, or 500 by PM is equal to 1500 by 3600. So on solving, we get PM is equal to 1200 is equal to QN is equal to BR. Therefore, RC is equal to BC minus BR is equal to 2400 meters, and NR is equal to BQ is equal to 700 meters. Therefore, NC is equal to root NR squared plus RC squared. So NC is equal to 2500 meters. Also, AM is equal to root over AP squared plus PM squared. So AM is equal to 1300 meters. Hence, total distance to be travelled is equal to AM plus NC plus MN, that is 1300 plus 2500 plus 300, that is equal to 4100 meters. So the distance is 4100 meters is the answer.